Electrical wiring and internal wall plastering. After completing the external wall plastering, the next step is electrical wiring. Wiring is installed throughout the house as per the pre-approved layout. Once the electrical setup is done, we begin internal wall plastering, creating smooth surfaces across all rooms. Construction of shelves and units. Next, we construct shelves and storage spaces. In the bedrooms, wardrobe shelves are built. In the kitchen, storage units are designed to suit daily utility. In the hall, a custom TV unit is constructed, blending design and function. Roof floor plastering and rainwater drainage setup. Now we move to the roof floor plastering. The surface is plastered with a carefully planned slope to direct rainwater toward the exit lines. This step ensures long-term protection from water stagnation and leakage. Water tank ceiling and front elevation. The ceiling for the water tank is completed, finalizing the top structure of the house. At the same time, the front elevation work is carried out, adding aesthetic value and curb appeal to the home's exterior. Damp-proof whitewash and completion update. A damp-proof whitewash is applied to protect the walls from moisture. This enhances durability and prepares the house for painting and final finishes. With this, about 90% of the construction is complete, and the house moves into its final phase.